about confetti balloons. So in the package, there are two confetti balloons, pink and blue, with different faux pieces, shiny pieces inside. So what we need ready, so there are two ways to blow up confetti balloons. You could use helium or air. We recommend using air, using any pumps or even your mouth because it's only 12 inches. With air pumps, it's easier for the confetti pieces to stick around the balloon surface. Whereas with helium, even though it floats, but the confetti pieces, because it's heavier and denser than helium itself, it tends to sink in the balloon bottom. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use a hand pump to do this. What we need ready is a pump or your mouth, the glue dots that are included in the package, and any cloth or carpet or fleece. So let's do this. As you can see, it looks like this right now. It's really pretty, but it's not sticking. It's okay. As soon as you blow it up to around 12 inches, just stop. If you want to learn how to tie up any balloons, watch another video where you learn a very quick way and easy way to do this. Okay. Once we do this, we could use our hair. We can get creative using our hair because it creates statics. Look, it's sticking already. Or you could use a cloth that we already have ready. The tip when rubbing this is that while we rub, you should put the confetti to the area that you're rubbing against. See? It's already created static. Even with helium, using this method, it's gonna make it stick. But it just won't stick as well as with air. And voila! There you have it. A pretty confetti balloon. The final step to this is, let's take the glue dot out from the package. What we do is we tear one of these little glue dots out. They're very strong adhesives that would help us secure the balloon to any surface. So what we do is we just remove the white protective layer out, and then we'll stick it onto the balloon. So now we have the confetti balloon. We flip to the back side of the balloon. Here I have with the glue dot with me. We remove the white protective side. Don't try to stick your finger to the glue adhesive because that will make it all crumpled up. Depending on where you want to stick it, you want to adjust it well. I will stick it on here. Once I stick it on, we very gently remove this part. There you go. And once we have that glued on, we could stick this onto any surface you'd like.